Hey guys, Troy here. This is Look to the Sun by Hillsong, original key of C. I'm just trying to combine the parts in the song to make one. It's kind of hard to get switched from the pre-chorus to the chorus. You got to be quick on this stuff, and especially the last part where I go on the low side and play the chorus in the low and get back to that hook. Really difficult. So I'm not 100% sure after playing it that way that I would actually mesh those two parts together. But if you want to try, you can see me kind of try and basically fail to do it. I might actually just play the chorus normal there instead of playing that low part and then jump back into the hook. Seems to be a smoother transition, but give it a shot. I think maybe with a bit more practice I might be able to nail it, but it's kind of high risk, high reward, so I typically don't like those scenarios in a worship setting because I don't want to bomb it. So anyways, here's Look to the Sun, key of C by Hillsong. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Instrumental. Pre-chorus. Pre-chorus. Chorus. Pre-chorus.